Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, which is great. Now we need to localize the 4 dots icon. So depending on the configuration, depending on in which whether you've got your phone unfolded or folded, you will find it in different section. In my case right now, it's right here, so let's tap on it. And now we need to swipe and localize this timer icon and tap on it. In this device, we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose the 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it. As you can see, the icon will change slightly. Moreover, it is notified right here, so we can quickly tap on it in order to change it. And now all you need to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on, our device will count down from 10, 5, or 2, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. So as you can see, here we've got an additional timer which is connected with the night light that was automatically turned on. So I will also show you how to turn it off if you don't want to use it. Obviously, it is because of the lighting conditions around the camera, around the sensor, so it decided that the night mode needs to be turned on. However, it's basically right here. If you can find this moon icon, just tap on it and tap on off, and you will remove the additional countdown. Alright, so we can tap on this icon here and change the timeout, the countdown, or turn it off by tapping on this icon without any kind of countdown on it. And from now on, our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.